What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this all new 1x12 scale off-road RC monster truck. Overall it's a direction drifter truck actually, and it can also run on all terrains. And this all is possible by using the Magnan wheels. I will show you all about this in this video. So first thing we're going to do is have a look what comes with this RC truck, following with the demonstration and a bit of detail. By the end of this video, you will have an idea that is this something you would like to buy for your kids over this Christmas or not. So with that all being said, let's quickly open up the box. Well, to start with, I could tell you one thing for sure. This whole box is made ins and out straight away, because outside is a no label, inside is full of labels. Come in two different colors. Link is available in the video description if you'd like to know more about it. So here we have everything which is included in the package, starting with one USB charging adapter, one paper English written instruction manual which will help you starting from A to Z, that how to set this car up, one 2.4 GHz remote control with hundreds of buttons in it. But every single button you see on the remote is well explanatory, because you can move the car any direction by using this drift features. Right in here you can see that. You can also change its movement from rock climber to an RC truck. But you also have standard controls as well if you like to go forward and reverse. I will share and explain each and everything possible within this video, that how this all works. Remote control also takes two AA batteries which are not included in the package and can be easily installed in the back compartment. Well, now in last but not least, RC truck, which is right in front of us. Looks fantastic, to be honest with you, from the build quality and the fantastic looks as well. In the front of RC truck you have got all covered up lights, two right in the front, four on the top and also under the base as well, which will give you proper feel of disco lights. Now under truck we have a battery compartment and on and off button as well. As you can see, they come with a very nice suspension system. Now all these Magnan wheels have got individual motors which will help you to rotate this truck 360 degree at one stage. You can also check out all the details which are available on the car. Looks fantastic, to be honest with you. Less likely you can find a mistake in the build quality of it. Well, now car battery is fully charged, so as the remote control as well. Let's turn on the car. Now as soon as you turn on the car, you're going to hear this audible sound on it. Alright, now let's have a look into the dancing feature. By press of one button right in here, you can play music as well as the dance as well. There you go. Now let's change the music. Let's change the music. Look at this. Let's change the music. Now using this remote control with hundreds of buttons, you can move the car from one area to another by one press of a button. So let's show that. Wow, look at this. Okay. This. Not bad at all for the fun of at least 20 minutes. That's how long the battery will last you. Control is a bit difficult to be honest with you, but you will get a hang of it without any worries. Now, other than having an extra features like a dancing and running on all terrains, put this RC truck on the list of must-have item to be honest with you over this Christmas. If you're looking for one, link is available in the video description, or if you'd like to know more about it, comment section is available down below. On that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.